Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I am going to be doing another tutorial on the Jaclyn Morphe Vault. This time I'll be using the palette Armed and Gorgeous. So if you guys want to see how I created this eye look, then keep on watching. But before you do keep on watching, I want you guys to subscribe to my channel right here. Press the subscribe button, hit the bell beside it so that you get notified anytime that I upload new videos. Short and sweet. I don't really have much else to say, but enjoy. Hey guys, so I'm going to get straight into the video and start with the Armed and Gorgeous palette from the Jaclyn Vault. Now this is the one that I'm going to be using today in this video. Now, I absolutely love the shades in this palette. This is like a more, I would say that this palette is like natural day look, and it can be like used as like a glam look as well. I'm loving the colours in this palette. Okay, so I'm going to start, and the first shade that I'm going to go in with is called Access. And we're just going to go in with this as a transitional shade. Okay, it's a little more yellow toned than I thought, but it's showing up quite nicely. It's very subtle, but you can like see how it's showing up nicely there. Okay, so next, I kind of wanted to go with Agent, but now that I'm looking, I feel like Agent and Secure are like the exact same colour. Like look, this one and this shade here literally look the same. I think this one is a slight tad deeper. There's not much difference in that one at all. So I'm going to go in with Secure, and I'm just going to go under the first shade that I've already went in with. So they're blending quite nice. The only thing I will say is I don't think it's like extremely pigmented. It's definitely got pigment, but it's not like extremely pigmented. Like I've put quite a lot on to get to that stage, and I feel like it's still like very subtle. I'm now going to go in with the shade Prowl. I'm just going to put this on the edge. Okay, look how much more pigmented that is. Compared to those other shades, this one looks so much better. Okay, that's maybe too much. I think I'm happy with that. Okay, I'm going to add some shimmer to that now. I'm going to go in with the shade Guilt Trip. Let's see how pigmented this is. See, it's just not picking up any pigment. I'm kind of disappointed in this one. Let's try again. Okay, that's better. Okay, I don't think I picked up enough on the first time. Better. Let me try my finger. Okay, I think finger application is a lot better. Yes, a lot better. Did you see it when I just put it on there the first time? The brush just wasn't picking it up, so finger application for this one is a lot better. And I'm just going to go in with the brush just to tidy the edges. Quite happy with that. I'm just going to go back in with Prowl just to blend the edges out. Now that that's done, I'm quite happy with it. I'm going to quickly go away, do the rest of my face and come back. I do want to use this VIP here as an inner highlight. So I'm going to quickly do the rest of my face, come back, and then I will show you guys the next steps and the finishing eye look. Hey guys, so I'm back. Full face is done. I've also just added the same shade that I added at the sides, Prowl. I've added that underneath my eyes, and I feel like that is giving it a lot more like of an eye look. I feel like it's just like making it pop a lot more than what it was. I am now going to go in with VIP, which is this shade here. I am just going to use that in my inner corner. Now with the other shimmer, It performed really well because I did it with my finger. This one's a little bit more tricky to do it with your fingers, so I'm going to hope for the best. Okay. Okay. That one did not need finger. Wow. That's maybe a bit too much. I was putting loads on there thinking it's not going to come out very well, and it did the complete opposite. So let me try blend that out a little, because it's a little bit extreme, but I quite like it actually. Second palette from the vault down. 2 to go. Okay guys, so finishing look complete. I'm quite liking this eye look. I'm quite liking the palette itself. With this palette, I do feel like some of the lighter shades didn't perform as well as what I would have wanted them to. Previously I have said that this is the new formula palettes that I am doing videos on. I never got around to trying the older ones because they were never released. But this new formula, the oranges, like the transitional shade and then the orange shade, it was good. Like, it's like right now when I'm looking at it, it does stand out really nice, but I feel like it took quite a long time to get to that stage and it took quite a lot of blending. So that's the only thing that I would say about the transitional shade and the orange shade. The darker shade, the brown shade, I feel like that performed really well. That was Prowl. That one I had like no problems with at all. That was like, it performed really nicely. The shimmer at first, I was a little bit worried about it because I was like, this isn't going on how I wanted it to go on. But then as soon as I applied it with my finger, the pigment was there. Like, you seen the pigment, it was there, and it looked beautiful. I'm liking how this eye look looks right now. The inner highlight, you seen that. You seen that. Overall, guys, I'm really liking this palette. Let me know in the comment section what you thought of this eye look that I created. Let me know if you liked it, let me know if you didn't like it. I don't care, just let me know. And I hope that you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, then leave a like, comment and subscribe, and I will see you for another video.